Hello everyone, Manav here, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can create these glowy text reflections in Photoshop. I'll show you an example from my Instagram. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, the reflection really blends in with the water and looks really natural. Today I'll show you how to create this in Photoshop. So I have my image already open in Photoshop, and the first thing we'll do is add the text. I'm just gonna write art here and make sure that the color is white. Then I'll select the whole canvas by pressing Ctrl A and align the text to the middle. Then I'll do some basic changes and place the text where I want it to be. Once you are happy with the placements, then it's time to add glow. Now I'll add glow to the text just by clicking on the preset I have already made. I'll link an awesome tutorial to add glow by Sanjeev sir in the description. Now I'll duplicate the layer and rasterize it. This will be a reflection, so I'll flip it vertically and place it where I want it to be. Okay, it looks pretty good right now, but we'll make it more realistic. Now you can see we have added the reflection, but it doesn't blend and does not look real at all. So to do that, I will go to blending options. Now here in the underlying layer section, I'll drag the slider from left to right. What this does is takes the information from the background layer and brings out the darker part, since we are sliding from the dark slider. I guess I'll keep it here. Now you can see the edges are not really smooth. Now to make them smooth, what I'll do is press and hold the Alt key on my keyboard and then click on the right side of the slider and drag it to the right. And now you can see it creates smooth feathering and it looks really good. Now to make it even better, I'll go to liquify and add some strokes in the direction water is flowing. But make sure that the density is really low. I like to keep it around 15 to 20. Now you can see it looks much better. And now I'll just duplicate the layer and change the blending mode to screen and reduce the opacity to enhance the effect. And finally, I'll take a soft round brush and select the color from the glow and paint a big dot on the image. Then I'll just adjust the size and repeat the same steps to blend it with the water. And we are done. Now I'll just group these layers to show you the before and after. You can also do some color grading to make it look even more better. That's just personal preference, I guess. Okay, so yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we'll reach 1 million by the end of, I don't know, 30 I guess. Okay, bye.